So I paid for the bottle, brought it home. I poured about 10 ounces of it into my tub drain. Waited, it says wait 30 minutes. I went downstairs talking to the wife, I forgot all about it. Came back up an hour later, turned the water on and go take a shower. Right down.
Nice.
I'm like, this is crazy. I never bought Glug again.
It's the
Excellent product, use it.
It's the same chemical as Glug. In fact, at 52% concentration, when we tried to go to 60, it turned to crystals.
Okay.
So they backed it off a few percent to keep it as a liquid. So it's not a bad chemical. This is just a lot easier to use.
That's nice.
Hey folks, 1,200 miles, 3.5 days, 4 states, 4 counter days with Ferguson. It's a lot of fun, really exciting, helping the plumbers with a tough job, whether it's they don't have to pull the urinals anymore using the P-free, or the drain punch is getting drains unclogged that sometimes the snake doesn't reach, or the snake getting the best tool to use and the drain punch gets it done. Coming back home yesterday, stopped in Upper Marlboro, Maryland, and the manager there was telling me a couple of stories about how maintenance guys had come in, and one guy says, man, I know I got to pull these urinals, they're all stopped up. He bought a bottle of P-free and came back the next day and bought 6 more. He said, man, this stuff works, those urinals are clear. So if you've got tough jobs with drains or urinals or stained toilets, try out the drain punch and the P-free. They're awesome tools. It's tremendously exciting to work with Ferguson and these different stores in the 5 states we're in so far. And if your Ferguson isn't carrying drain punch and P-free yet, ask the manager to give me a buzz. We can hook them up, get them stocked up, and that way you'll have the products locally there for you to use and help make your tough job a lot easier. Happy plumbing, y'all. Take care. Thanks a lot. Folks, another day on the road up here at Forked River, New Jersey at the Ferguson store here. Really nice store. We're all set up inside there. Come on by, check out the P-free and the drain punch demos, and we'll answer your questions, and they've got it in stock here. Happy plumbing. Thanks. Hey folks, we're over here in Millsboro, Delaware at the Ferguson Plumbing Supply House here. Got some demos. Got product on the shelf. If you're local and you need drain punch or P-free, this is the place to get it. Happy plumbing. Hope to meet you here. Thanks. Hey folks, we're all set up here at the Ferguson in Salisbury, Maryland. Great big new complex up here. They've got waterworks, they've got HVAC, and they've got the plumbing supply. All big separate buildings, plenty of stuff to keep you guys going. If you're in the area, stop on by. Happy plumbing. Hey folks, we're up here in Avon, New Jersey. Big, nice, beautiful Ferguson store up here. Beachside resort town. Looking forward to a great counter day. Come on by if you're in the area. We got bagels and demos, Q&A, whatever you need. Happy plumbing. Morning folks, up here in Abington, Pennsylvania at the Ferguson. Another counter day, great people here in this store. Already moved some drain punch. If you're up in the area, want to see a demo, come on by. They're actually running a sale today on drain punch and P-free. So it's a great time to come by and get you a bottle to try. Happy plumbing. All right, folks, we're here at the Ferguson in Toms River, New Jersey. Another counter day here for the next few hours. If you're local, come on by and check out a demo. We'll answer your questions. Excited to be here as we cover New Jersey and Pennsylvania Ferguson stores. Take care. Happy plumbing. Up here at Red Bank, New Jersey, Ferguson. The big store here, already doing demos, having people wanting product right off the bat. If you're in the area, come on by and get to see a demo and check us out. Red Bank, New Jersey, here till about 11 o'clock. Happy plumbing.